IITC. Now we are going to see golden rules or golden rule on energized system. We will see following questions, but not limited to. We will see what do you mean by golden rule or golden rules, what do you mean by energized system, what do you mean by life-saving rules and safety measures during working on energized system. So guys, you might have heard the name as potential energy. So this will also be applicable for potential energy. What is a potential energy? I have prepared one slide, one small presentation on potential energy. I would request you to please find out the potential energy session on to IITC channel. You will get complete idea about potential energy and you can get complete information. Guys, my humble request to you is please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and please also send this link to your professional WhatsApp group. And here we are happy to allow you to please use this link to train your operation team, safety team, construction team, maintenance team, engineering team, procurement team, contractors, contract workers. You can also use this link as a safety moment, and nevertheless you can also use this link for toolbox training. As you mentioned that this is going to be energized system. There are many incidents happening due to energy onto the equipment. There is a potential energy. So that is why company has prepared the lesson learned and company has prepared a golden rule. So what is the meaning of golden rule? Golden rule or golden rules are nothing but only it is the lesson learned from the series of serious incidents which has ultimately become a work best practices. When we say serious, serious means either fatality or permanent disability. And there is a, you can say either golden rules or there is a, you can say that life-saving rules. Some company uses golden rules and some company refer this as a life-saving rules. So there is no distinction between golden rules and life-saving rules. Guys, now let us go back straight away and start understanding the energized system. There are many people being killed every year by the electrocution, by the potential energy. So this is very important point. That is why company has prepared golden safety rule through the lesson learned through a series of incident, so that there is a fatality and there is a permanent disability. So implementation of procedure, control and specialized personnel guarantee safety during activities when energized systems are present. So this is the meaning of golden safety rule for energized system. Now we will see that what points to be covered during energized system golden safety rule. The energized system golden safety rule requires following: an evaluation of hazardous energy shall be conducted before performing work on equipment. So this is maybe potential energy, maybe hydraulic energy, maybe pneumatic energy, maybe any pressure energy. All works on energized system shall be risk assessed and carried out only by the competent person. Risk assessment has to be done and has to be done by competent, knowledgeable, experienced person. Energy isolation procedures shall be developed and implemented. Energy isolation shall be carried out only by authorized isolation authority as appointed by company. Energy isolation certificate shall be completed in conjunction with and referred to the permit work system. Prior to start the work shall be verified that no stored energy or other hazards are remaining. When we are saying stored energy means potential energy, maybe hydropack energy, maybe pneumatic energy, maybe pressure energy, maybe pressure in the pressure vessel, maybe pressure in the line. These all are potential energy. Lockout and takeout system should be implemented. Portable appliances and equipment which work under the energy shall be regularly inspected and results are recorded. No work or equipment movement can be allowed under or near an overhead crane lines unless precautions have been taken, including definition of minimum clearance distance as per the corona layer. There is a corona layer for high tension line, probably you know this. Personal protective equipment shall be worn as per the requirement, as per the risk assessment. So guys, these were the points what we need to cover in the life-saving rule or in the golden rule of energized system or potential energy system. Work on energized systems such as electrically powered equipment and mechanically or pressurized equipment each a risk to person. So every time when you are going to work on potential energy system equipment, you have to follow all this instruction of golden safety rules. Guys, I hope you should be able to answer all these questions. If you are not able to answer all these questions, I would request you to please revisit, please refresh the video and listen again. I hope you enjoyed this session and this session was useful for you. Guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please put into the comment section so that we can come back to you as early as possible. With this, thank you very much. Jai Hind.